Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here for an unboxing video. I'm super excited for this because recently I got an offer to collaborate with the affordable organic store, and when I checked their website they have a wide variety of gardening essentials which I really liked, and one of the product which I really wanted to have is the basic gardening kit. So today I have received this product and I'll be unboxing this to see what's there inside. So if you are interested in gardening and if you don't know where to begin with, I think this gardening kit is the right product for you. So do check out their website. The link is in the description box, and keep watching this video because I have a little surprise for you all. And if you are lucky enough, maybe you can win such product for yourself. So keep watching and let's get started.
This beginner's basic kit is very affordable. It costs you around 250 rupees, so you can go ahead and buy it. As you can see, the package is very well packed and it got delivered in just 2 days for me. These are the flowering seeds which I ordered separately, which is not included in the kit. This is the kit they have sent me for the review, and it contains 8 items including vermicompost, coco peat and all other essentials. This is the seedling tray which you can use for germination of the seeds. And this is the cow dung cake which you can use as a manure for your plants. And this is seaweed fertilizer. This is the small spray bottle which they have provided while germinating seeds. I think this helps in watering your seeds. That's the small wooden spoon. So in the kit they have provided the capsicum green seeds. So you can start with this germination. And this is the vermicompost of 500 grams. As you can see, they have nicely packed it. So along with the vermicompost, they have also provided the coco peat of 500 grams, and this all collectively you can use it to grow your own vegetables or flowers at your home. And lastly, they have this cute nice jute bag which I'll use to keep all these items. I will be making another video to show you guys how we can make use of all these items in this kit to start the germination of the seeds and grow your own vegetables at your home.
Now let's talk about the giveaway. I'm sure you guys are waiting. So to participate in this giveaway, all you need to do is comment below about why you want to start a garden, or if you're already into gardening, then give us one tip that helped you in improving your gardening skills. So go ahead and comment down, and also subscribe to my channel and also affordable organic store channel, and do follow us on the Instagram too. So these are the simple rules, all you need to do to participate in this giveaway. We will be choosing 2 winners, and 2 winners will get the gift voucher of 250 rupees, with which you can buy anything from their store. All the details about the giveaway is in the description box. Please go through it and do participate. I wish you all the best for that, and thanks for watching. Bye bye.